How to fix Bluetooth not working on your Mac? First thing you want to make sure is your Mac has enough battery. If it doesn't have enough battery, it may tend to malfunction. So here you can see I have about 87% battery, so we are good. Then you want to go to settings, and in settings you want to go to Bluetooth. So here you can see obviously Bluetooth won't work when it's turned off. If it's turned on, you may want to turn it off and then turn it back on. So that is one way that may solve the issue. Another thing you want to turn off and on is your device. If pairing is your major concern, you should try turning both the Mac's Bluetooth off and the device off and on again. If not, we want to then fix Firewall. We want to go to network, and here you can see we have an option called Firewall. Click on Firewall, and then we have options over here. So here you can see under Control Center, we have allow incoming connections. If this is blocking incoming connections, then it could create an issue where your Bluetooth device is not able to connect. If it doesn't work still, you could go to settings again, go to Bluetooth, and then you can click on the I and then click on forget this device, and then you will have to repair. That most of the time works. If none of this works, make sure that your Bluetooth device has enough battery so that it can pair with your Mac or any other device. Hopefully this has been helpful. Do drop a like, share and subscribe if you've liked it.